after the Uromi crisis, how Oba of Benin disappointed those whom they were telling, oh, you are Benin, Igbos want to claim your land, you are Benin, don't agree for Igbo. Many tribes are beginning, many Igbo ethnicity are beginning to open their eyes, courtesy of this guy, because I used to watch him very well, Deputy Jesus. He is doing fantastically fine. Now let us move on. Agbó people don't come out. Contact say Agbó people are Igbo. They bear the name of Igbo. The market days of Igbo. Speak Igbo. In fact, Agbó people's Igbo is more clearer than Ebonyi State Igbo. Ebonyi State is Igbo. When Ebonyi State speak, me, I cannot understand what they are saying. But I hear the one Agbó is speaking. But they will go and tell these people, oh, you are not Igbo. Ndi Igbo is trying to claim you. Ndi Igbo is trying to claim your land. Just because they want them to be in minority, to take over their land. That is the reason why in Delta State today, Fulani people have practically bought their lands by force. And they will build and they will extort and collect the other ones. So they are practically talking, what this very video, this is a video of an Agbó woman speaking that they are Igbo. Nobody should divide them. That is courtesy of, what are they calling him? Deputy Jesus. Because after his videos enlightening every ethnicity, our tribes, every ethnicity within the Igbo, I mean, is it ethnicity or no? Every side, every part of Igbo, because in Igbo we are many. We have the Calabar people, we have the Ebonyi State people, we have different people in Igbo. Even Calabar. After he enlightened these people, they are beginning to speak. Please let us like this very video, and when we come back, we will show other videos. Please let us watch.
Agbó is not Igbo. Abi? Central Igbo like Enugu, Anambra, they call firewood Nku. Isn't it? Nku. Ogwashuku, we call firewood Nku as well. Agbó, what do you call Nku since you are not Igbo? Is it not the same Nku? So I don't understand why Agbós are still claiming that they are not Igbo. Please make it sound, I want to know. Central Igbo, Enugu, Anambra, Oka. In fact, other Igbos, soup, they call soup Ofe. Isn't it? And then also from what I understand, we call soup Ofe as well. Please, what do Agbó call soup to? Is it not Ofe? Elia, please explain to me better. I want to understand. I don't drop another one now. Because I see so many issues, I see so many arguments going on. Both the people when they use bad language for my comment section, that one not even be the issue. The thing is, I just want to make me understand. Why is it that people are saying Agbó is not Igbo? Meanwhile, Agbó language is similar to other Igbo. Not just the tongue, the tonation of how they pronounce it is what is a bit kind of different. And of which there's no way you will understand Igbo language that you will not understand Agbó. There's nobody that understands Igbo that will not understand Agbó at the same time. There's no place they will speak Agbó in your hearing as an Igbo, wherever your brother said all these Enugu that you will not understand what the person is saying. So why are they now saying Agbó is not Igbo? Please make me understand. Thank you.
Okay, we are now back. Oya, watch another video of this very woman from Ikwere speaking, coming up to speak. Ikwere people are Igbo. They refuse to be divided anymore. When they come, they will tell you, oh, you don't like some gullible Edo State indigenous are telling me, Uromi people are part and parcel of Edo. Before Edo, what are they? You have denied that they are not your tribe. What we are talking about here is ethnicity. We are not talking about states. State creation is created by the Fulani people. The person that created state creation was Fulani. They created it to divide the indigenous people. And the only defense that all these disgruntled Benin people can put to the nonsense that they are talking about Uromi people, the only their defense is that, oh, why are you putting division? This is hate speech, this and that. Uromi people are part and parcel of Edo State, but they are not Benin. What we talk about is state ethnicity, not creation, not state creation. So since you have denied them, they are not your ethnicity. There must be ethnicity that Uromi came from. Uromi did not fall from up to settle in that area. Uromi did not fall from up to settle in that area. There is ethnicity which they come from. And Uromi people are Igbos. They are Igbos. The same market days with Igbos. The same culture. The same, everything the same. They do not share the same thing with the Bini people. Now, when these people deny the Uromi that is in their leg, Ikwere people that is far away are beginning to see. Ikwere is bearing Igbo name, Igbo culture, Igbo cap, the same Isiagu, the same this thing, the same culture, everything. They went to lie to them that they are from Benin. Imagine the Ikwere that I have been given birth to before they shared them to the state, River State. Imagine the Ikwere. I was very young then, very, very small, when this Ikwere was shared to River State from the old Imo State. Immediately they did it, they started sponsoring division, telling them, oh, you are not Igbo, oh, you are not Igbo, oh, you are not Igbo. Imagine the thing that they did against us, just to silence and divide us. Just imagine that nonsense. Now, if you watch this very video, you will listen to this woman, how she speak it, how she put it down by down, bit by bit, that the Ikwere people are Igbo people. No longer, nobody can divide us anymore. One thing that these Fulani people, you see them, you say they don't have sense. They have sense. Their own is to come in, divide you, tell you, oh, don't agree to these people. There are too many benefits that you can benefit when you stay alone. And you, as a stupid man, calling Fulanis are not brainless people, but they are maneuvering your brain. As a stupid man, you go and say, oh, we are not Igbo, we are not, thinking that there is something that you will benefit. They want to take over your land. They want to dry you. Once they dry you, they can be able to dry other tribes. That is the reason why they come to you and they tell you that you are not Igbo. They did this in the north and they succeeded. Not within us. They cannot do it and succeed. And that is the reason why if you go to Benin today, Fulanis are many in Benin because they are using divide and conquer to them. They are using divide and conquer in Benin, and they are not using their brains to think. These people that we said that they don't have sense, these people that we said that they are brainless, how come they are playing this game more than us? Watch this very video and listen to this Ikwere woman speaking sense, speaking in the language that you will understand. After then, we will come back. Let us watch the video, please.
Ikwere anumeka o, kelele mele Ikwere zanha. Kelekwa ndị Igbo niile. Awụ m onye Ikwere. Ezigbote nwafọ Igbo. Ezigbote nwafọ Igbo kara aka. Ana ekwetere m kwesị ike na ndị Ikwere wu ndị Igbo. Agbachi ihe niile a na-akọ ha kọburu na mgbe nke gara aga. Enwe new generation of ndị Ikwere, ma ndị ụmụ nwoke ma ndị ụmụ nwanyị kwetere n'eziokwu na anyị wawu ndị Ikwere kpọmkwem na anyị wụ ndị Igbo ekene m unu kaba arụ biko wee nyere m aka wee sonye na platform anụwa, especially anyị nwa wụ ndị Ikwere. Ọtụtụ n'ime anyị wụ ndị either our mother or our father ndị Igbo. Besides that, our origin indeed wụ Igbo. Onweghị ọzọ onye ọbụla nwere ike ịgwa anyị wụ ndị Igbo, anyị wụ ezigbote ụmụafọ Igbo. Tụ a ka ọ dị. Ekele m unu. Jisi na ike biko wee sonyere m na platform a, ebe a ka anyị ga-anọ ma na-akọ ihe gbasara origin ndị Ikwere n'ala Igbo.
Welcome back to the video. Watch the video of Deputy Jesus. This guy is doing fantastically well. Deputy Jesus is his name. Preaching when he started this very preaching, telling them, do not agree to this division, this divide and rule. Do not agree to them. Do not agree that you are no longer part of Igbo. They want to divide you. They want to conquer you. Ikwere is Igbo. Agbó is Igbo. I can say in Agbó, I have somebody that I could have married was from Agbó, Isioma by name. And they are telling them they are not Igbo. Isioma. What is the meaning of Isioma? Good head. And they said they are not Igbo. Watch and listen to Deputy Jesus dealing with them in the language that they understand. This guy is doing marvelously well. This guy, they bust my brain each time I listen to him in the Igbo unification. He is doing fantastically fine. I think we should give him hand in this Igbo unification. Watch and listen to him, please.
This video is for all the Niger Deltas and every state surrounding the Igbos. So if you are some part of Benue, Kogi, Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, what do they call it, River State, listen to me. Listen very attentively. I'm saying this, and I'm also using this opportunity to draw hands to all the Igbos. Anu na-ekwulo merụ ọnụ, ma na-ekwu na anụlo merụ ntị. I'm saying this. You can keep denying that you are not Igbo. I've seen where father denies son. If he beat your hand in the chest, say, no be my father. But DNA test prove that it's your father. So you can keep denying that you are not Igbo. But we know that you are Igbo. I live in the north. If fight happen here in the north, you will never see an Hausa man say, stop. Are you Delta or you are Imo State? Before they will put knife in your belly. Once they catch you, you come Iwa. You don't waka be that. So in their own eyes, every of these states that I call are Igbo states. If you think I'm lying, come out from Bayelsa and run for presidency. They will do what they do Jonathan. Come out from Anambra and run for presidency. They will do what they do Peter Obi. Even if you come out from Edo, say you want to run for presidency, the same betrayal that the Edo people are facing in Lagos because of Peter Obi presidency is what you still face. They see you as Igbo person. You better listen to me. Igbo people are crying that they are destroying the property. It's getting clear now that it's not only Igbo. If you are from Benue, you know what I'm talking about. Until recently, when the Fulani started killing people in Benue, Benue people will always be claiming that they are not part of those that have been marginalized. Today, their eye don't clear. The Doma, the TV, all of them there have their eye don't clear. Some people in Kogi State are facing it right now, small. You are all Igbos. Just as Gwari, Nupe, Bagi people are also being tagged as North or tagged as Fulani and Hausa people. The same way, it is when you come back home, you can be separating, say, I no be Yoruba, I no be Isoko, I no be this one. But as far as I'm concerned, if you come to this boundary, because there are 3 major tribes in Nigeria, you are still tagged as an Igbo person. 2023. I've said it time without numbers. When anything happens in the north, northern people will not stop you and be asking you, are you from Akwa Ibom? Are you from Bayelsa? Are you from Delta? Before they will do Ikom Iwa. I was saying that some people said, hey, Delta no people. They don't know people. See them now. Uromi people, the Asian, did something, but Igbo people did attack. Igbo people did attack. Ndi Igbo, now they attack. So when we say these things, some of you think that we don't know what we are talking about. Yes, we know that there are Igbos in Edo State, the Wanke people. We know there are Igbos in Kogi State. We know there are Igbos are in 13 states, not just 5 states. But the truth is that outsider does not even see you as another tribe. All of them, they call them Omo Igbo. Now the same thing, they call all of us Igbo in the other time. If something happen, one of my babe those days, now from Akwa Ibom Bekwara, but anytime when you do something, they go say, ah, Nyamiri girl. This is what we are talking about. They see you as an Igbo person. Now Ishan people do something, but all of them, they tag all of us as Igbo. Igbo people have been, blood has been shed to save this country. Every time something happens, every time the snake will leave the kill and be bending neck on the ground. You people will leave the people that commit crime. Igbo people must ever collect it. But do I blame people that are saying that Igbo people do this? No. Ndi Igbo will be the one in another state and deny they are not Igbo. Why they not go kill you, join people? Why they not go kill you? Thank God that some of us are beginning to see the reason. Look at this post of this man. He says he's 60 years now. He knows that he's Igbo. He's no more denying his Igbo-ness. He's from Eka. Look at that comment. This is what we are talking about. I'm out of